COVID-19 is here. It is time you learn how to switch your college to e-campus using a learning management system. Before we begin our lessons, let me make three things clear. First, you don't need sophisticated ICT skills to implement a learning management system solution. If you are able to hold a mouse and can type on the keyboard and have time to concentrate to what I am about to show you, then you are the right person to learn this. Second, most of the people reading this could be doing it out of desperation of the pandemic which has befallen the world. And so the solutions I propose will be simple and easy to follow. The proposed solutions will only respond to the basic needs of providing electronic lessons, tests, and assignments to students. This is something that will at least keep learning going on as our men and women in white coats battle out to find the COVID-19 vaccine. Third, be warned that there are many entrepreneurs who see COVID-19 as an opportunity to turn the panic of colleges and universities into a business opportunity. They will take free open source software like Moodle, give it a little tweak, and then sell it at an exorbitant price to you. However, there are also good commercial LMS solutions such as Blackboard and Astria on the market. Even so, the solution I provide you is the most used around the world by leading universities and global brands. The system has extensive capabilities to help you manage various training and assessment needs. It is used by over 60% of higher learning institutions around the world. Yesterday, I was invited at the Ministry of Higher Education to present my ideas on how learning management systems can help colleges switch to e-campus in the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic. The meeting was triggered by my last blog post on the e-learning vaccine. I am thankful to the senior officer at the ministry who was quick to act on the post by calling heads of distance learning departments in the various colleges in Lusaka for a meeting. I was also thankful for the opportunity accorded me to share my ideas with the permanent secretary. It was a fruitful discourse, and I can only hope that out of this impending crisis, Zambia's higher learning institutions can act on the need to utilize e-learning systems. Like someone said, COVID-19 is leapfrogging us into the future of how work ought to be done. What I'm about to present in the next series of blog posts require you to have two resources: a computer, that can be a laptop or desktop computer, and an internet connection. Here is an outline of what you will do in this series of learning how to implement a learning management system in less than 15 minutes. In step 1, you will learn how to set up your Moodle learning management system in less than 15 minutes. In step 2, you will learn how to configure your LMS for lecturers to start using it. In step 3, prepare your LMS for students to start using it. In step 4, prepare a simple policy to guide the usage of the learning management system. In step 5, you will learn how to upload notes onto the LMS. In step 6, create and schedule a test. Note that the test will be embedded with a marking key so that immediately a student finishes attempting the test, his or her score results will display on the screen. A gradebook for your records will also be automatically created in the background. In step 7, you will learn how to create and schedule an assignment on the LMS. In step 8, you will learn how to create a forum where students can engage in discussion assignments. You must follow the lessons in the provided sequence of steps. All these lessons are made available to you free of charge. In times of calamity, we can all help each other in our own humble little ways. May I conclude by saying, when I am done with all the steps of how to implement an LMS, I'll go on and produce a simple video which you can share with your learners on how to use the LMS. But you don't need to worry that certain students may not know how to use the system. The LMS I'm going to show you, it has an interface which is very intuitive, very easy to learn. If someone is able to use their mobile phone, then they should be able to learn how to access the notes, how to attempt a test, and how to perform certain tasks like uploading an assignment. See you in my next series of video posts.